Welcome to this video on data architecture frameworks. After watching this video, you will describe the characteristics of a data architecture framework along with its key layers and recognize the significance of a data architecture framework in enterprise data architecture. You will also be able to gain insight into the key features of popular data architecture frameworks and explain the key components of a data architecture framework. A data architecture framework is a structured approach to defining an organization's data needs, processes, and technologies. It offers guidelines and approaches for managing data as a strategic asset. These frameworks help organizations align their data strategy with business goals, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and scalability in data management practices. At its core, a data architecture framework consists of three key layers. The conceptual layer defines high-level data principles, goals, and organizational needs. The logical layer outlines the detailed structures and relationships within the data, independent of specific technologies. Finally, the physical layer focuses on the implementation-level details, such as storage, processing, and access mechanisms. By integrating these layers, a data architecture framework facilitates a smooth transition from strategy to implementation, ensuring a comprehensive approach to efficient and effective data management. A data architecture framework is a robust framework that aligns with business goals, ensuring that data initiatives directly contribute to organizational strategic objectives. It helps in identifying key data assets and determining how they can be utilized to generate business value. Next, it helps achieve consistency and standardization by promoting the use of uniform data definitions, models, and processes. This eventually reduces redundancy and enhances data quality. With organizations growing and integrating recent technologies, a framework ensures that the data architecture stays flexible and scalable. Further, frameworks ensure governance and compliance. They integrate governance policies that ensure data security, privacy, and regulatory compliance are consistently maintained. Finally, data architecture frameworks maintain cost efficiency by optimizing processes and minimizing duplication, reducing the overall cost of ownership for data systems. Building on the importance, let's explore some popular data architecture frameworks designed for different organizational contexts. The first framework is the Open Group Architecture Framework, or TOGAF. It is a widely used framework for enterprise architecture, offering a robust approach to data architecture. TOGAF focuses on aligning data architecture with overall enterprise architecture and employs iterative development through its Architecture Development Method, or ADM. Further, it covers all aspects of data management, including governance, integration, and lifecycle management. The strengths of this framework lie in its suitability for large organizations with complex data ecosystems and its ability to align IT and business objectives effectively via structured processes. Next, let's look at the Zachman framework, a highly structured approach to data architecture design. It categorizes architecture into 6 perspectives: planner, owner, designer, builder, implementer, and worker. These perspectives are further analyzed through 6 critical questions: what, how, where, who, when, and why. Proceeding to its key features, the Zachman framework emphasizes the importance of defining and documenting data from multiple viewpoints. This helps the framework provide a comprehensive and holistic view of data architecture. Its strengths lie in effectively addressing the perspectives of all stakeholders and promoting comprehensive documentation and standardization. Another popular framework is the Data Management Body of Knowledge, or DAMA-DMBOK. This framework focuses on core data management disciplines, offering detailed guidelines for areas such as data governance, quality, architecture, and modeling. Key features include its 10 core knowledge areas, covering topics such as governance and architecture, along with best practices for implementing effective data strategies. In terms of its strengths, this framework is ideal for organizations that prioritize data governance and quality. Additionally, it provides practical tools and templates to enhance data management. Next, the Federal Enterprise Architecture Framework, or FEAF, was originally developed for U.S. federal agencies and is widely applicable to enterprises seeking a structured approach to data architecture. One of the key features of FIF is its strong focus on achieving interoperability and integration across complex systems. In addition, it promotes standardization using common data models and vocabularies. This framework's strengths include its ideal use for large organizations or government entities that require cross-departmental integration and its encouragement of the use of shared data services. Before concluding, let's look at the key components of a data architecture framework that help ensure effective management and use of data. The first component, data governance, establishes the policies, roles, and responsibilities for managing data assets effectively, which helps ensure compliance with regulations and organizational standards. Data integration defines tools and processes for combining data from multiple sources into unified views. This component supports data warehousing, extract, transform, load or ETL, and real-time data pipelines. Data storage and access help specify storage technologies such as relational databases or data lakes and access protocols. This enables optimizing performance and scalability. Metadata management ensures data assets are well documented with descriptive metadata, which helps in improving their discoverability and usability. Data quality incorporates mechanisms for monitoring, cleaning, and enhancing data quality. Finally, the security and privacy component implements safeguards by outlining measures to protect data from unauthorized access and ensuring compliance with privacy laws. In this video, you learned a data architecture framework is a structured approach that helps organizations align their data strategy with business goals. The framework consists of three key layers: conceptual, logical, and physical. By integrating these three layers, the framework facilitates a smooth transition from strategic planning to implementation. Data architecture frameworks play a significant role in enterprise data architecture by aligning with business goals, focusing on consistency, standardization, and scalability, ensuring governance, and maintaining cost efficiency. Common established frameworks that guide enterprise data architecture include TOGAF, the Zachman framework, DAMA-DMBUC, and FIF. Finally, a data architecture framework includes several key components to ensure effective management and use of data.